Motorcycles and Bajaj Auto are working on a new retro and classic motorcycle to take on the supremely successful Royal Enfield Classic 350. The model in question draws inspiration from Triumph's Bonneville T100 and T120, and it will be called the Bonneville 400. It has been spied in India and abroad too. A new Triumph Bonneville 400 test mule has been spied. It's slightly different from the unit spied before. This new test mule is sportier and has a headlight cowl for more roadster look. A sportier version has been tested on Indian public roads, so it suggests that Triumph and Bajaj might be testing Bonneville 400 in multiple variants. Rivals offer similar strategy. This particular test mule is priced lower than the previously spied Bonneville 400 test mules with multiple chrome highlights. They include chrome rear grab rail, chrome handlebar, chrome exhaust, and silver finish on the engine casing. All of them are missing in the latest test mule. This seems to be an headlight cowl at the front in the latest test mule, suggesting a slight roadster-like appearance. Previous test mule with chrome highlights were missing on the tail lamp, which could be seen on the latest test mule. Bonneville 400 is the first Triumph 400 range of motorcycle to get twin rear shock-up suspension with a new subframe. Instrument cluster will be an all-new unit. It will be circular in nature and it will feature fully digital unit with a crisp TSP, a simpler LCD unit. What is not visible, you can wish there might be a 400 version with analog, tacho and speedometer for the charming retro feel. Further actuating the retro look are RSU telescopic front fork with fork graters, wire spoke alloy wheels with tube type tires and retro single piece circular headlamp and other elements. There are disc brakes at both end and dual channel ABS is expected. It will be a 398cc engine for the global market and 349cc engine for an Indian market. One can speculate that the power and torque will be similar to Speed T4 mated to 6-gear gearbox.